The footage was shot in the grasslands of South Africa, which can be said to be ruled by lions. A large rhinoceros and the group of lions began to engage in head-to-head combat. After a while, the rhinoceros left. After a few seconds of the lion's pursuit, the situation was reversed. The lion rode to the tree to avoid the attack of the buffalo herd. With overwhelming numbers, it's not difficult for the buffalo herd to push the hunters into a weak position. In front of an extremely angry buffalo herd, the lion knew it had to make a big decision. After the distraction of the buffalo herd, the poor animal was able to run away. On the green steppe, leopards ambush their prey. This time has come, the leopards begin to act. The chase is extremely fierce. The wildebeest can't match the speed of the leopard, and it loses. They manage to separate the wildebeest from the herd, and using overwhelming moves. Many leopards attack the wildebeest, making it quickly become the food for them. Antelope enters the difficult birth journey. It gives birth to a baby antelope smoothly. But the movement here has touched a hyena. The antelope family is happy before the hyenas appear. Two adult antelope risk their lives to protect their young. Unfortunately, the hyena caught the baby antelope. The mother antelope continued to butcher the hyena, but failed. Even the Lord of the Forest is in a helpless position when faced with a united force. The lion is using four legs to cling to the tree to escape from the herd of wild buffalo below. The wildebeest is a nomadic species, and the appearance of the lion sent the pilgrims fleeing. It keeps losing its prey. Finally, the wildebeest responded. With his haste, the lion had to return empty-handed.